Next, we will discuss a problem. Find a curve of the form y equal to a plus bx square to the following data using method of least squares. X takes value 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8. Y takes value 1.11, 1.09, 0.95, 0.91, 0.85, 0.81, 0.75, 0.71. Here the curve of the form is y equal to a plus bx square. This is the equation of parabola. This is the equation of parabola y equal to a plus bx square. We already discussed curve fitting of the parabola of the is of the form y equal to ax square bx plus c. We already discussed curve fitting of this parabola, this equation. Here equation is y equal to a plus bx square. Okay, y equal to here y equal to a plus bx square. We already discussed curve fitting for the parabola is of the form y equal to x square plus bx plus c. Here question is y equal to a plus bx square. In this equation there are three unknowns present. Okay, a, b, c. Here two unknown present. Here three unknown present. Here two unknowns present. Okay, so here a, b, c, three unknown parameters. Here a and b, two unknown parameters. Since there are three unknown parameters, we get three normal equations. Okay, number of unknown parameters equal to number of normal equations. Please remember this. Number of unknown parameters equal to number of unknown parameters equal to number of normal equations. So there are three unknown parameters, we get three normal equations. In our problem there are two unknown parameters, so we get two normal equations. For fitting a straight line there are two unknown parameters, so we get two normal equations. Clear? So we get for fitting a parabola is of the form y equal to a plus bx square, we get two normal equations. Clear? So solutions. So using principle of least square, we get two normal equations, and the normal equation are the normal equations are here is of the form y equal to a plus bx square. So y equal to a plus bx square. So normal equations are b summation over I xi square plus n into a equal to summation over yi, and b summation over xi to the power 4 plus a into summation over xi square equal to xi square yi. Okay, since there are two unknown parameters present, so we get two normal equations. Here coefficient of x square is b, and in this equation coefficient of x square is a. Okay, please consider this process. So first we will find summation xi square, summation yi, summation xi to the power 4, summation xi square yi. Okay, now we construct a table. So we construct a table. So this is xi, this is yi, this is xi square, this is xi to the power 4, this is xi square yi. Okay, So putting this value of x and y, we get this is 0.1, this is 0.2. So putting this value of x and y, ultimately we get this. So this is values of xi, this is values of yi. Okay, putting this value. Now xi square 0.1 square. So 0.1 square is 0.01. 0.2 square means 0.04. 0.3 square means 0.09. 0.4 square means 0.16. 0.5 square means 0.25. So 0.6 square means 0.36. 0.7 square means 0.49 and 0.64. Okay, so 1 xi to the power 4 means xi square the whole square. So xi square whole square means 0.01 square means 0.0001. Sorry, 0001. 0.04 square means 0.0016. 0.09 square means 0.0081. 0.16 square means 0.0260. Sorry, 16 square means 0.2256. Okay, and 0.25 means 0.0625. 0.36 square, so 0.1296. 0.49 square means 0.2401. Okay, and 0.64 square means 0.4096. If we product this into this, we get summation xi square into yi. So 1.11 into 0.01. We ultimately get 0.0111. 1.09 into 0.04. We get 0.0436. This into this, we get 0.0855. This into this, we get 0.1456. This into this, we get 0.2125. This into this, 0.81 into 0.36, we get 0.2916. 0.75 into 0.49, we get 0.3675. So 0.75 in 0.71 into 0.64, we get 0.4544. Okay, and summation xi. So this plus 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 this, we get summation xi. So summation xi equal to 3.6. Summation yi. So summation yi equal to 7.18. Okay, and summation xi square, we get 2.04. Summation xi to the power 4, we get 0.8772. Summation xi square yi, we get 1.6118. Okay, thus the normal equation becomes this. Thus the normal equation becomes b into xi square. So here xi square is 2.04. So 2.04 into b plus a into summation a plus n into a. Here number of data is 8. So 8a plus 8a equal to summation yi. So summation yi is 7.18. So 7.18. Okay. B into x summation xi to the power 4. Xi to the power 4. So xi to the power 4 is 0.8772. So 0.8772 into B plus A into summation xi square. So summation value of summation xi square is 2.04. So 2.04 into A equal to 0 x summation xi square yi. So value of summation xi square is 1.6118. Okay, and solving 1 and 2 we get, this is 1, this is 2. So solving 1 and 2 we get 1 and 2 we get the value of H equal to 1.054 and value of B equal to minus 0.61373. Okay, so solving these two equations we get value of A and value of B. So value of A is 1.054 and value of B is minus 0.61373. So hence the required fit of the given data is equation is y equal to a plus bx square. Question is y equal to a plus bx square. So value of a is, so y equal to a plus bx square. So a is, value of a is 1.054 plus y plus bx square. So value of b is this minus 0.61373 x square. The question is y equal to a plus bx square. So value of y equal to a plus bx square. Value of a is this 1.054 and plus bx square. The value of this. So equal to, this is equal to 1.054 minus this plus this minus means minus 0.61373 x square. Okay, this is the required result. Y equal to 1.054 minus 0.61373 x square. So this is the required result. Okay, very easy.